Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Here today looking at this 2016 Peterbilt 389 3-axle dump truck with 15.5 foot Boulder Lane Dump Body. We got the tank all nice and lined up here with the ladder. As you can see, this one has the steel hydraulic tank as well on the side of the frame. We got the pintle hitch set up, high lift tailgate, trench gate. Just definitely a lot of nice options on this one. This is the 90-ton pintle hitch with the air dampener. We got a bunch of pintle hitch options you can see on our website, but this is one of our most popular ones. And on this bed we just did the fenders covering the axles, but we could run the fenders to the front of the bed and even put a toolbox in that fender as well. So yeah, just nice fully loaded Pete here, dual horns on the roof, chrome visor, bumper. And in the cab here we have the CB radio, gray interior, got the seats all covered up and cleaned up as well. 10-speed in this one, full gauge package on there. And standard control package. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales and give us a call for more information. Thank you.